Hey y'all, thanks for checking out our video, and if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button. It would help us out a lot. We greatly appreciate it. So we are heading out to Crossville, Tennessee this morning. We're following the car club, the Mountain Shadow Cruisers, and we will bring y'all some footage along the way and at the car show. So let's go check it out. Hey y'all, today we rode over to Crossville, Tennessee to TCAT Upper Cumberland for their benefit car show for the Relay for Life. We cruised on over here with the Mountain Shadow Cruisers Car Club, so we're about to go check it out and see what's here. $427 Cobra.
I want you to show will be on DCK.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, we video the cars and put them on the roof. The people who can't make it to the shows.
Oh, yeah.
Is this an original or?
No, it's a factory built
Right.
out of South Africa. It has a Chevy data plate on it, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carol Shelby signed off on this manufacturer.
Oh, okay.
Super Performance is the
Okay. It's beautiful.
Thank you. We love it.
Yeah, we were going for pretty when we bought it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every guy wants to have a pretty car.
Yeah. Pretty clean like a Chevy too.
We got microphones.
No, wait for us over if we have to. Just hold it close. Just hold it close. Yeah, that's makes sense. Go ahead.
Here is a 1934 Ford.
Roy, you big guy now. He's on.
We got some more still coming in here. It's on both sides of the campus here. Here is a
73 Camaro.
73 Z28 Camaro.
How you doing?
Dixie Customs from where?
YouTube. We're at a
Oh, you got a YouTube channel?
Lansing. Yes, sir. Watch YouTube. Cars will be on there.
Good deal.
Under Dixie Customs.
Oh, yeah. A lot of people's road.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hampies.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, did you?
Oh, the body shop back here.
There's a 77 MG midget. I had one of these. We got rid of it when we were moving up here. It wasn't restored or anything.
That's what I did. I did that.
Never got to drive it.
I told somebody this 50 years.
Yeah.
It's a nice cheap look at here. Got the music playing in the background. We're about a 68 Mustang here. It's a pretty color. It's a nice little green Jaguar convertible. It's a pretty good turnout. We got, like I said, this side's full. We had to go around to the back side of the buildings and start another section there.
It's a 40 DeSoto.
Here's a 1940 DeSoto. I don't see too many of these.
It's on an S10 frame.
This one is DeSoto on an S10 frame. It's a 72 Chevy.
Business coupe like ours.
This green one. We've got one like this. A 41 business coupe.
He's upgraded it to a 12-volt system to run the cooling fan and to run other stuff in the car, but the headlights and everything still factory 6-volt. So that's kind of cool. He's running two 6-volt batteries parallel, so I have 12 and 6-volt both. Cool little 23T. Another 23T.
I got that one, and I got that one. Oh, and I got
'79 Trans Am. Very clean car. AS10 pickup truck with a 2.8 in it. '65 Chevrolet pickup truck. Half breed. It's got a 29 cab with a rail frame made out of pipe. Here's a, looks like a 32 sedan, or 33. Got suicide doors. Yeah. It's a Plymouth. Mustang Cobra. '63 Impala with a 327 in it. Slip forward. We saw this the other day at the other car show. It's got the ground effects that we've had on ours come from Godfather Customs back in the day. They turned the grill trim corners upside down so it'll be rounded at the top. Like a rock. Clean truck. Got a black one. Yeah, both of these was over at that show the other day. And this Ford was too. Matter of fact, all these cars right here were. Maybe they won't copyright this for the radio playing in the background. It's pain to try and video at car shows because when they play songs, we got to go in and do voiceovers, disguise all the radio noise in the background. A Plymouth. Dodge Challenger. There's a little Mazda RX-3 we've seen over there. Had the other car, yeah.
What are you doing over by yourself, George?
Got a little rotary motor in it.
What?
This 51 like the one we got at the house. Ours ain't that nice, but I think we're gonna leave ours alone, just drive it where it is. Clean interior with a tall gear shifter. Convertible Mustang. 64.
Raylan, Wednesday night at the fair is when the monster trucks are going to be there.
That's scary.
69 AMX.
Down there, same, got the same color Jim's, but Jim's still up. If you look at the car.
Yep. Yeah, it is the same color, ain't it?
I think back in the day, that must have been like, you know, one of the main factory colors.
Turquoise and Indian ivory.
Yeah.
64 Plymouth Road, right? Oh no, Plymouth. Boom. Pontiac. With the 3 deuces on it.
I still get people looking at it, you know.
65 Pontiac GTO. 55. Like the one we got, 2-door hardtop. This is like Jim's. That's what he was talking about the turquoise. This is turquoise and white. Most of them was Indian ivory. Got a cream color on it. This is born a 6-cylinder car. You can tell by the radiator being on the outside of the course part. And the V8's radiator sits behind the course part. Monte Carlo. And 454 in it. 71. These things here look just like the new electric cars with the front end. Chevy 2, 67 model. I've always wanted one of them cars. We got enough, so guess the chances of me getting one is going to be slim to none. 72 Chevy. C10. $70. There's Mr. Reagan Williams.
What's up?
Hope you don't have no wants for you. You're gonna be on YouTube now.
I don't know YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey, Papa!
It's hard to do this and avoid all the songs that's playing in the background.
I hear you.
The black and the white, the good and the bad. 396 SS Chevelle. It's been turned into a small block car. Still super sport. How's it going? Oh, pretty good. Got a 2010 Dodge Challenger here.
Out the door. This, you'll pay probably 10 grand over what they're asking. And he goes, oh, this is on sale, $500.
Pretty cool airbrush on under the hood.
Car, $500. Oh, you're all hard. They said there's a wheel tax on every new car they sell. Wheel tax on top
Here goes Batman mobile.
on top of the clerical fees for Tennessee.
One of the guys at work had one of these.
That's what I asked him.
I think it's 2016 Slingshot.
I'm gonna check them out.
It's a 4-cylinder engine. I ain't never been close to one of these before. Pretty cool.
The wheel tax is on every new car. Challenger,
On that GTO convertible, 1968. Pretty clean car. Clean interior in it. Yeah, it's a pretty good show out today. Pretty good mini cars. They put us over in the other parking lot by ourselves. I guess we've been bad. Alright, well, let's see what we can get out of the other parking lot, and we'll be back with you here in just a second. '66 Chevy. Here's some of the car club members' trucks here. This one's for sale. 40,000, 423 539 5313. 85 Chevy pickup with a 350. Call Doug if you're interested in this one. Here's a 97 Chevy C15. Belongs to Mr. Harold. He's in the car club also. And we've got a couple over here. Dodge leaving. This one is a 87 GMC Sierra with a 305. This one belongs to Steven. Also a car club member. All of these here in this row are 1985 Suburban. Belongs to us. We're still babying the transmission. We were able to get it to make it to Crossville today, so still got to get that seen about. This one here, Chevy Impala, is a 65. Belongs to Mr. Boyd. And this one here is a 65 Chevy with a 283. Belongs to Lloyd and Frankie.
So we had to park over here on the other side of the buildings, which we are in the shade with the gazebo there, which is nice. So everybody's just hanging out and enjoying the day. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.